Hey, welcome once again. New toolbox starting off next year, 2019. Getting rid of my old Snap-on showcase and the old school for probably I've had to think 30 years since I started this trade, you know. Anyway, Napa sells this product. Being the Napa Car Care Center, did a lot of research. The U.S. General, I think it's the name of the toolbox in red. It's about the same size. The U.S. General is 72 by 22 deep. This one is 72 inches by 24. So you got your galvanized top, your one key center, lock everything. You pull up on these because it locks the drawer shut. Good heavy duty casters. But this drawer, you know, all various sockets and various tools there. And this full set of impact sockets, 1/2 inch. There's just a few various pliers and cutters and things over here. And your adjustables, I like to use those for AC work. Water pump tool, Saturn I think it was. Probably come in handy again. Fuel gauges and pressure testers and stuff like that. Various drill bits and easy outs and bolt cutters and air drill and things are down in there. Let's see. Bunch of wrenches, gear wrenches, and snap-ons, some snap-on stuff. I gotta get some missing tools replaced. It's always a bummer when stuff disappears. Ratchets, some extensions, those things. Some screwdrivers, the gear wrench, Easy Zeros, or Mountain. A couple of those need replacement too. Yeah, just a little puller set. This drawer could use some more stuff in it. Shoot, we got your Power, what is it called? Power Pro? Power Pro AC die tool kit, Matco spark plug tool set. I gotta open some of these. Do you know they're a little compression gauge set? It's a little cheapy one. Gear wrench, tie set, serpentine belt tool, O2 sensor tools, and the power steering pulley installer and remover. Your Audi A4 timing tools and just some various air tools in there. That's that new car wash set. It's pretty nice to show them that one. All your different metrics, long, short, stubbies, everything in your Allen wrenches. Some front end tools and an air hammer there. I still got to organize this thing yet. Little brake tools and little, God, can't even think today. Little rivet tool. Some various little removal tools and scrapers and picks, big picks. Some little wiring stuff, some micrometers, digitals, a few things like that. I got a bunch of other tools and cases. I just don't have room for everything. Snap-on American set, crow's feet, American metric, big crow's feet, big wrenches, some AC tools. And last but not least, some Cobalt, just miscellaneous little stuff. Ford Cam Synchro tool, boroscope. That's that, current ramp. Stretch to yield bolt, stretch to yield belt, serpentine belt installer. So there you have it. Last toolbox I'll ever own, I'm sure, but we'll probably add to it side toolboxes and things like that. I still got more stuff to go in and ran out of room already. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Stay tuned, there'll be more.